Hey everyone, welcome to this guide on using multiple themes for your WordPress pages. I'll take you through the full process step by step so you understand everything clearly. First, open your web browser and type in your WordPress website address. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner and click the login button. You'll see several login options. To make things simple, click Continue with Google. A new window will appear. Just pick the Google account you want to use. After selecting, you'll be redirected straight into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're logged in, head over to the left-hand menu. Find and click Appearance, then choose Themes. Here you'll see an overview of all the available themes. Take a moment to review the options and decide which one fits your website style. Click on the theme that interests you. This will show you more details about it. Once you're ready, press the Activate button. That instantly updates your website's design. After activating, go back to the Themes overview. Here, look for the My Themes section. This gives you an organized view of every theme you've installed. From here, you can review the list, click on another theme to check its details, and hit Activate again if you want to switch. WordPress will apply the new design right away. And that's it. You now know how to log in with Google, browse, preview, and activate multiple themes and keep track of them in My Themes. This gives you creative flexibility to experiment with different looks for your site. Thanks for watching and happy designing.